don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you! For making the potato balls, you need to boil first and then mash. Don't forget to add the salt to taste and then black pepper powder. While you are cooking your chicken, you need to set aside and then saute onion, magic cubes, mushroom, bell pepper, and then carrots. And then don't forget to prepare also the liquid cream. After you saute, don't forget to add the ginger garlic paste. But if you don't have a ginger garlic paste, you can use the ordinary garlic only. And then mix together with the chicken and the onion. Stir well until they mix together. Black pepper, and then mix it. Add the magic cubes. Mix. Drop carrots, bell pepper, and mix together until it's done. Then cover. Add the mushroom.
I asked you.
And then drop the liquid cream. One whole liquid cream. And then mix. Before you put the liquid cream, make sure that your vegetable like carrots and bell pepper, also the mushroom, was done. Then cover. Kailangan maluto yung ating gulay, especially yung ating mushroom. So, stir again, open and stir. See, almost dry. So, it means to say, done na po yung ating chicken. So, ready na po siyang ilagay sa ating lalagyan or sisigilan. See? And then, ready po natin ang ating pirates na pagsisilan ng ating chicken. Pirates. And then make it evenly. Cover and make it evenly. Dapat kasi naka-level siya para mailagay po natin yung ating potato balls. Ayan, ready na ang ating potato balls. Kailangan nakalimera siya, guys. So, ayan, one by one. Ayun, guys. Ililihera lang natin yung ating ginawang potato balls. After we finish, we need to open our liquid cream and then we need to put it up. Ayun. I want to show you guys like this. We need to put the liquid cream on top. Kailangan meron siyang additional liquid cream para mas malasa or malinamnam yung taste ng ating potato balls. And then, don't forget to put mozzarella cheese on top. The more mozzarella cheese you put it up, much better. So, kasi ayaw ng mga amo namin na maraming mozzarella cheese. So, I reduce the cheese. Ayan, we need to preheat the oven into maximum heat and up and down with fan. So, ayan na siya. Lagay na natin sa loob. At ready na siyang i-oven. Ayan na yun. After we finish oven. Bongacious. Ayun. Perfect.